It's Carla again, and I'm here with a short TEMU, like emu or TEMU haul. Sorry, made me think of my emus. Distractions again. Here we go, squirreling. And when this is done, I might post it just as like a small little thing, or add on doing one of these molds on there. We'll see. You know me. I can't stop talking. I squirrel around so bad. But anyway, I had some credits, and this is like only like a $20 order. But I had a whole bunch of credits, so I thought, well, I'm just gonna go ahead and go in there. But I'm so glad I did, because they had the one mold I have been searching the internet for, which I found at a few places, but it was like $40-50. And that is a good dragonfly mold. I am so happy. Oh my gosh. Okay, anyway, let's get going. Now we don't get the orange bag anymore. Kind of sad, because I actually really liked the orange bag. It always made me feel like, oh, TEMU is here. But, I'm sure that was a financial decision. Like, they're probably not making any money at all, poor babies. Yeah. Call me Miss Sarcastic. Just, don't call me fat. Here it is. Oh, I have to apologize right now, because I know that slap down and that sound of the... Oh, let me move it over here. Okay, hopefully if I move it underneath the desk and rip it open, pull it out, and how much did this cost? Oh yeah, okay. Hallelujah. I have been looking for one of these. Like, not one of the little bakery ones on the little pink molds that are like 2 inches. I have been looking for this. For this. And this was only $3.14. Kisses. I'm so happy. This will be the one that I do immediately. Following this or during this? I don't know. I just have to put it right there. $3.14. I love dragonflies. Oh my gosh. It's a whole story. It's an amazingly beautiful but also sad story. So we'll save it for a time when it doesn't... I don't know when. Alright, let me open this one under here too. I'm opening them under the desk. Hopefully you're not hearing this crunching sound. Oh my god, I hate it. This was the most expensive thing that I got on my order. Oh. The turtle mold, which I think I've seen so many people do, but I have a friend who likes turtles, sea turtles. It's like $4.38. But I don't see, I wrote it on here somewhere. Yeah. Oh, there it is. Yeah, $4.38. And, oh, it came with its own hair. I'm not going to admit that's mine. Yeah, I have a friend who told me that she really likes sea turtles. So, if she sees this and she says, oh my gosh, I do love sea turtles, then she'll be getting this as a present. And if she doesn't watch my videos, she'll never know. You know who you are, lady. You know who you are. Jeep, jeep. You know what that means, too. Anyway, I'm excited about that. I've always wanted to get a turtle one, but when she told me that she really liked sea turtles, I was like, okay. If I get a mold, I'll do a video, and maybe I will send it to her. You know who you are. Okay, what else did I get? Let me see if I can cut it. Cutting makes less noise. Alright. This is for Christmas. Don't worry, folks. I don't plan on starting Christmas until at least September, October, November, December. Until at least the end of September. Not counting the Christmas ornament that I already did. That was just a one-off. And I don't know where it is. Anyway, this is just a cute little tree. Cute little tree. That's all that is. Okay. $1.48. Did I already tell you that? Like, I think it was $1.48. Very cheap. I'm dragging this out because, yeah, not a lot in here. I do have, one at a time. Stand in line. All right, hold on. Let me open this. Let me see first what the price is. $1.61. Or if I hold it $1, or $1.91 if I hold it that way. I think it's $1.61. I didn't put polka dots. I didn't put polka dots in here. I think what I'm trying to say is I didn't put a decimal point. It's my brain. And it's another little Christmas tree, but I think this one is so precious. I mean, like, so precious. I like these molds that are like this too. I hope it's a shiny one. I just thought that. That's okay. Christmas trees are not usually shiny. I have... I'm I'm dropping stuff. I'm still here. Oh, okay. Oh, the last mold is this giant thing. What the heck? What the heck? $4.94. I wanted a tray mold. I was not expecting anything this big at all. Not at all, I swear to you. When it said 11 inches, I thought, oh, that's like this. You know, it's like this. No, man. No, this is like a large pizza. That's all I can think of. Okay, let me take it over here and rip it out. Hold on. Oh, lordy. Oh, what the heck? Oh, no, I thought it had... Doesn't it look like it has designs on it? No, that's plastic. I thought, oh, wow. Oh, it does now. Now it has a big old... I don't know what I'm going to do with this. I know I'll figure something out. Maybe... Oh, my goodness. I don't even know. I just wanted a tray. You know, like a tray. Not a pizza. Oh, you can't even see the whole thing. Well, let me raise this up. There you go. Look, it takes up the whole entire thing. That's humongous. And it's 12 inches. You think it's a circle? You think it's the same? Ah, I had no idea it was so big. I had no idea. Do you think that the king's foot, because didn't they do the foot by the king? Do you think his feet were really that big? Or do you think they said that to make him feel better? Sorry. Okay, I can play frisbee with that, because I don't know what I'm going to do with it. Okay, what else do I have here? Oh yeah, I have some purple glitter. This was 98 cents. It's a really cute color. I don't know if you can see it. I'm not going to open it, but I'm going to take it out so you can see it. Oh, no, because the color doesn't see all that blue you're seeing. In real life, that blue's not there. How does it do that? I mean, it might be there, but the majority, like when I look at this right now, it's the hot pink. See all those little tiny pink stars? Imagine that reversed. Pink with a little blue. And this one is the same price, 98 cents. I think this is really pretty. It's got little bits of greens and orange. Now, how come this one looks normal? Huh? How come this one looks exactly the same there as it does here? And this one is purple. Okay, well, that was bonkers. Somehow it stopped recording. So anyway, I got these. I think you saw the glow in the dark and the glitter. I think you saw that. I don't, yeah, it's recording now. Okay, wow. Okay, so these were $1.97 and these are pearl micas. Now, I hope these are nice because my favorite color is represented in here twice. So for $1.97, oh my goodness, careful. Uh-oh, I don't know how. Oh, there we go. Nope. Oh, these are weirdo things. Okay. Oh, that's pretty though. Look at that pink. Okay. Oh, I see. You have to open up each one of these. Ooh, that looks like caramel mocha. It makes me want to eat soft serve chocolate ice cream. It looks like soft serve chocolate. Wow, these little containers are going to make me crazy. Yes, they are. Ooh, that's a pretty green though. Ooh, so far I'm loving these. Hold on, no. We're not at the point of love yet. We're only on our first date. And so far I'm not real happy with the package. Ooh, that, oh! Can you see the purple all over my shirt? I knew I didn't like these packages, especially because purple's my favorite color. Doo-doo. Oh, I love, especially like a nice dark purple. There's another one underneath here. Okay. Oh, these packages are not fun. Packaging sucks. $1.67. That's good. That's worth 2 points. Packaging -1. That's a beautiful brown. Ooh, I love the colors. Okay, I'm gonna drag my book up here real quick. Let me find it's my little sketchy art book. Find some blank paper. Here we go. Let me wipe that down now because I'm already covered in purple. That's okay though. I like it. You're probably wondering, why isn't she cleaning up all of it? Because it just occurred to me. Seriously, it just occurred to me that I can try this color of purple without wasting any of that. Oh no, that's the color of dirt. Nope. I don't think you can test mica colors on paper, can you? Nope, not these anyway. I was hoping that we would get a real good idea. But, nope. I mean, I got one finger left. Oh my goodness. No. You can't even hardly see. I mean, you can see the purple, but it looks like mud. It looks terrible. Well, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. If I put it on myself, ooh, let me cover up my freckles. I call them freckles. The rest of the world is wrong. They are not sunspots. I did. You know what? I earned every one of these sunspots. I mean, earned them. When I was a teenager, when I was high school, from about the age of 13 until 16 maybe, I rode my bike to the beach every single day in the summertime. Started in February, because you could actually start getting a tan in February. And my friend and I would lay out, and we would put iodine mixed with baby oil on our skin and lay out for a long time, and then ride our bikes home. It was like an 8-mile ride on our bikes. Okay, to say that we were overly tanned is an understatement. To say that we burned on occasion, like burned with blisters because of the iodine and the baby oil. Oh, yes, we did. Oh, yes, we did. And so all of my little tan marks that are poking up through my little pale skin, yeah, I deserve them all. I've never worn sunscreen. Thank you for being here. I hope that you're having a wonderful day. Take care of yourself. Love yourself. Seriously, just love yourself. Treat everybody with love. Treat everybody you meet like they're a cousin. Even if you kind of don't like them. It's kind of like cousins. You're still going to smile and say hi. You're still going to be cordial to them. So treat everybody like a family member. Treat yourself the best. I love you so much, and I'm so glad you're here. And I am so hopeful you're coming back, okay? And I am going to cut a whole thing out about ancestry DNA. Don't ask.